What do you do when you're on vacation and you didn't bring any shampoo, you didn't bring any Loc'd products, you didn't bring any gel, but your hair look like that? Who cares? I'ma be living that good, yeah. Locked Up gang, it's your girl Locked Up, coming to you. What? Is this a hotel room? You're on vacation and you didn't bring any shampoo, you didn't bring any Loc'd products, you didn't bring any gel, but your hair look like that. Hair is giving who, what, where, when, and why. You gonna watch me go from this to this. Girl, she bad. Where's she going? What's up, y'all? Let's get into this prep, okay? So I'm gonna take a little bit of the shampoo. This is the amount that I use, and I end up not using the whole cup, y'all. So then you're gonna take a little bit of conditioner, pump that, and then we're gonna pour that water right on top of that shampoo that we pumped into that cup. Then you're gonna take some of the conditioner, which I'm doing right now, and I only put a little bit. Y'all see, I only use not even half that, and then we're gonna whip it up, whipping it. We whipping it, stirring it, whipping it until it's all dissolved, okay? Y'all, it's gonna look clear or clear-ish, all right? Let me show y'all a little tip. So y'all already know how I feel about that tap water. Take you that cup that they give you for the coffee. Oh snap. You're gonna put it in the coffee machine. There's a button on the top that says water only. You're going to use that, and you're gonna get you a hot cup of water, okay? And you're gonna make sure that you let that water cool off. Now don't be that person that said, Larry, the Loc'd told you to put hot water on your scalp. That's not what I said. Treatment time. Yes, and my scalp needs it, y'all. Y'all see my scalp. I do suffer from seborrheic dermatitis. I do have a lot of redness and irritation on my scalp, so you'll see that redness. But I am working on it, so we're gonna give it a treatment that it needs. It's gonna be happy after this, I promise. So we're gonna take the washcloth, dip it into the solution that we just made, and then we'll go ahead and treat the scalp. Same way that we do all our traditional scalp treatments, we're just gonna go ahead and rub that into our scalp gently, not aggressively. This is sped up, okay? But do it gently, and you're gonna see the buildup come up. See that on the washcloth? Ooh, my God. Okay, that was just the front piece. I don't really put a lot of products in my hair, y'all, so I just have oil and things like that, so I don't suffer from a lot of product buildup. But I'm taking the solution now, pouring it in my hand, and really getting in with the scalp. I'm not wetting the locks because I'm trying to go out later tonight, and I don't want to walk around with wet locks. So we're literally just treating the scalp. If you see that milkiness that's starting to build up at the base of my hair, that's actually the oil releasing. It's coming up. And I'm gonna use that. Don't wipe it away, y'all. We gonna use it to twist this hair up. Excuse me. Is this thing on? This works? It what? Oh! Hey! Didn't see you there. Yes, y'all. I got on my sparkly jacket because we must be giving away some money. Money! Yes, y'all, I just want to tell y'all thank y'all for rocking with your girl, and I'm so appreciating of you all being with me. And I went on a hiatus for so long, so I'm giving back to y'all. I'm giving away two, yes, count them, two. I'm giving away two $50 Amazon gift cards, y'all. So if you want to get into the competition, let me tell you how you can get in. All you all have to do is make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. Welcome on in, baby. Then I need you to share this video with at least one person. Oh my God, we almost to the money. I'm getting to the yeah. And the third thing that you all need to do is to write in the comments, what is your favorite birthday experience? This was my birthday. I was in New Orleans living. What's yours? Tell me in the comments. Let's talk about it. What is your favorite birthday experience? And then that locks you into the competition. Yes. Woo-hoo. I will hold the competition open for 1 month, okay? So you have 4 weeks 4 weeks. So 4 weeks from today, whatever today is, I just want to give back to you all because I love y'all and I want to say thank you so much. So thank you for rocking with your girl, and I will get back to the video. Commercial break over. Let's get into the styling. Ooh. All right, y'all. Let's get into the style. So I'm gonna put all the rest of the hair that I'm not using into a ponytail, and we're gonna start with the front. I'm just doing a simple retwist, but what I'm showing you all is how I catch them edges. So I'm kind of doing a twisting motion as if I was braiding my hair. So you're going to twist the edges down towards, in the direction that you're going to retwist your hair, but you're going to pull it backwards, and that's how you get it into the lock without needing gel. Okay? And then we're just going to do the rollover method right now just to hold the retwisted hair in place, and then we're going to do the whole row. Okay, not the whole row because I'm only doing half of my hair, but you'll see I'm showing you I'm wrapping and twisting. That's how I do my retwist. You take the hair, you pull it off of the lock a little bit, and you're wrapping that hair around. I'm not doing a palm roll, I'm wrapping the roots. Okay? That's what I want to explain to y'all about how, see how I just pulled that out? I wrap my roots. Okay, so now that we've finished the first row, we're going to go on to the second row. So I'm going to do the same exact thing. Like I said, I twist the front down. Exactly, in that motion, that twisting motion, I'm going to pull the edges in gently, okay, not hard. And then I take that piece and I start to wrap from there the rest of the hair that's loose at the bottom. All right, you see that little white collection that built up right at that spot? That's that oil we were talking about. So I take that and I now push out whatever I can get out, and I smooth that over the hair that I've now retwisted. So that also helps to lock in the style, and it helps me to have my hair last longer. And you see it's completely gone. You won't see any more whiteness. Okay, now y'all, so I'm going to take the second row that I just did, and I'm going to show you how to do this twist over method. So you take the front piece and you're going to take the second piece in the row and you're going to wrap it underneath. You're going to wrap it over, and you see that, so then it's going to make like a twist, but it's a flat twist on your head. You're going to do that 3 times. 3 times. And then you're going to take the next piece and you're going to go underneath this time. So the first time you went over, so this time you're going under. You're going to pull that up and then you're going to wrap the other way. So it's continuously going to be you wrapping the first lock in the new sets of locks going backwards. We're doing a flat twist on our scalp. So you're going to do that till you get to the last lock, and then you see how nice and crisp that is, y'all? So what you're going to do now is you're going to take that last lock that you wrapped, you're going to loop it around, make a loop, and then pull the end through it, and then that's how you keep it on your head. You're kind of just making a small knot. You don't have to make it tight, but that will keep your hair in place. No rubber bands, none of that needed. Boom. So now I'm going to finish the third row at the top. Now that I finished the third row, I'm going to take the front 2 pieces of the third row, do the same method, but I'm going to twist it all the way down until it matches the length of the first row. Then I'm going to take the piece from the first row and I will continue my same twisting method of going under and over, under, over. But I wanted that third row to cross over the second row so that we can make a nice little X. Same thing, you'll tie it at the end, and that's the end.
Now you want to make sure when you cross over, you're taking the third piece of that row so that you don't compromise taking a piece that you need for the front part. So leave 2 out, take the third, okay? And that's it, y'all. So that's it for the cross. And then the rest of the hair I just did straight back, and I did the same cross on the opposite side, and boom, there it is. So that's the completed look. You can feel free to go find you some edge control if you want to. I don't really use those things. It's such a quick and easy style. You can wear it several different ways. So you can wear it down, you can put it up, you can do so many things. You can wear it like a pineapple, nice and spiky. That's how I like to wear it. Wear it down. So much that you have here. Enjoy it. And it's very fast, y'all. Once you get the hang of it, it takes 5 minutes and you're out the door. So that's it. I love y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.